Welcome, and my name is Denver SDQ, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, simply open up your settings. From there, scroll down to Storage, choose your SD card, tap on the three dots right here and go to Storage Settings, and from here tap on Format. Now before you actually go forward with it, keep in mind that this will remove all the data from the SD card, so if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before. So, that being said, tap on Erase and Format, the process will begin, and it only takes a couple seconds. Once it's finished, the card is then immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. Tap on Done, and you're, well, done. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.